Hello everybody, welcome to AccuReggie. We have another nice storm to talk about that's going to bring potentially the most snow across a vast swath of people in the east. The first widespread winter snowstorm of the season, and we're almost at March. Unbelievable just how snowless the winter has been. However, this storm is not what it could have been. We could be talking about 1 to 2 feet of snow. Instead, we're talking about 3 to 4 inches in Boston, New York City, just north of New York City, and Connecticut will be the bullseye, and Philadelphia will get grazed a little bit. So let's dive right in. You can see the storm right here starting to form over Kansas. And as I put it in motion, you can see it's sort of a ball of moisture just jamming itself north into the cold air. Notice the blue lines that are wrapped around the storm. That is pressing on the storm and acting sort of like a barrier. And so what the storm does, it's a little bit like a football game where the primer, the quarterback, starts running with the ball up into the defense, and then he does a lateral right to the running back. And what happens with this storm is the running back starts running the other way on the football field. Okay, that's the problem. So here's the main storm. You see it right here, just to the west of Buffalo. It passes to this coastal low. That's great. That's how we could get a nor'easter and get just a monster storm. But no, look what happens. That storm starts moving south because the blocking is so strong. It starts moving south and runs the other way, and so we just get light snow up here in Boston. But there will be heavier snow to the west and the south of Boston. So the further west, further south you go, Boston, more snow. Okay, so I'm gonna rewind this here. Take you through. Monday afternoon, snow and sleet starts to break out in eastern Pennsylvania and New York City. In Monday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. Then the storm, this is the height of the storm. It's about midnight on Tuesday morning or late Monday evening. This is the height of the storm. It's pounding snow in Connecticut, pounding snow in upstate New York. New York City's trying to hold on to the snow. If it can, New York City's going to get about 6 inches. If it can, it'll only get about 3. And then the snow, though, really hasn't made it to Boston. It's just a grazer. We have to wait after the handoff for us to get in on a little bit of snow. The heaviest precipitation is during the handoff. That's what we see right here. During the handoff, and then it starts to weaken from there. We get light to moderate snow. A few bands will come through, but it won't be the nor'easter that it could have been. I'll give you a zoomed up view here just to take you through a more closer look. You can see here's the heavy snow breaking out upstate New York, Connecticut, and then it'll continue all day on Tuesday. So it is a long duration event. All right, so it is going to snow, but it's just not going to be, pounding. It's not going to be 3-inch per hour snows and a pounding nor'easter. But we'll get probably about 3 to 4 inches in Boston. Maybe we could get a little bit more if we get some more bands that come through. Connecticut, the entire state of Connecticut is about 6 to 12 inches. Upstate New York, 6 to 12. New York City is about 2 to 4. Philly is about 1 inch. And eastern Pennsylvania, they'll get about 2 to 4 inches with up to 6 the further north you go. All right, folks, that's the update for now. We have to look now to Friday. We get another one, and that one looks like it could be even bigger. I'll talk to you soon.